Hi! It's been a little while and I wanted to share our home remodel. You can see behind me that our porch is missing. We are actually remodeling and adding on, and the add-on or the addition will wrap all the way around our house and come up halfway on each side. And so we're adding about 16 foot to the back of the house, and it'll be 44 foot wide and come out to the edge of our existing porch, which is going to be reduced quite a bit. Now, currently our house is 1,200 square feet, and we're going to be adding about 16 by 40, so around 650 square feet, thereabouts. We are going to reallocate our master bedroom space to become split in half and become half a laundry room and half a master bath. And then we're going to add on a master bedroom, a great room, and an additional bedroom, making our home 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and about 1,800 square feet, thereabouts, maybe a little more. So it should increase the value of our home, hopefully. It'll definitely increase the space that we can use and live in, and this entryway that is now a laundry room will become an entryway or a mud room. So it'll be a whole lot more welcoming as you come into our home. It's very interesting to see our house this way. Now that the porch is gone, we are getting a lot more sunshine in the house, which is what we want. And when the sun comes up here on our hill, it is orange and peach and pinks and beautiful colors that come in through our windows. It changes the color of the whole house. I am standing on what will be the new area of our house. Here will be a couple of double windows in this great room, or it'll be a small living room, and there'll be vaulted ceilings. So this will be the master bedroom, and there will be another bedroom exactly the same on the other side. So we're adding 2 bedrooms to the house and a small living room. And I'm standing where the living room door will be. If you look down here, this is where the old door to the outside used to be. You can see a piece of plywood here where it was closed up a long time ago. And it will be opening back up. That will be where the hallway will be. These windows will be removed. So we'll have a hallway here going into the house. And this, from that window to this window, will be the width of the great room. That will have the double windows here and here. On this side will be the master from the edge of this window over. A 12 foot space, 12 foot by 16 foot master bedroom will be there, and it will flow through a wide hallway or sitting area here. And then as we walk around here, this window will become a door, and this will be the door to the bathroom. And the closet will start right after the door here. Right after the door, there'll be a closet about 6 foot deep and 6 foot wide. On the other side of the great room, as I walk around here, you will see another bedroom starting at the exact same place right after the windows. Here you can see the opening there where the wall will go, and that will be a 12 foot by 16 foot bedroom as well, but it will not have the hallway. So this will be my son's new bedroom, and it will stop here. There will be a door going out to our new sunroom. This sunroom is an indoor space. This window, I believe, will become a door out to the sunroom, and there will be 4 windows facing the south side of the house. So this will be a sunroom area, and it is the exact same size as the hallway on the other side. Okay, so that is phase 2 of our house renovation, and I hope you'll stay tuned for more. I'll try to update as often as I can get shots like this. I don't want to disturb the contractors while they're working, but if I can get some shots in here while they're not working, I'm going to try to do that for you. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.